Top 5 Best Wine Fridge 2025. Number 5. 24 Bottle Wine Cooler Professional Beverage Refrigerator with ultra-quiet compressor cooling. Cooling type compressor based, more powerful than thermoelectric. Shelves, 4 chrome sliding racks. Holds Magnum bottles. Dimensions, 20 WX22 DX 33 inches H. Energy rating. Number 4. Whisper Quiet Compressor Library Quiet Operation, less than 42 decibels. Adjustable digital thermostat. Set precise temps from 218 degrees Celsius. Freestanding flexibility fits in kitchens, garages, or home bars. Spacious interior holds 30-plus cans or 12 wine bottles. Energy efficient A+ rating saves power. Dual pane glass door shows contents while insulating cold. Number 3. No touch needed. Sleek and compact design fits perfectly in bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, or offices. Semicircular lid smooth, quiet opening/closing, no loud slams. Odor containing keeps smells locked in. Great for diapers/food waste. Battery powered runs on 3X AA batteries. Include. Number 2. Wall-mounted design saves floor space, no bending required, ergonomic and pet/kid friendly. DIY cream color paintable surface to match any decor, modern/Scandinavian/rustic styles. 2 capacity options, 9L, compact, or 12L, family size, ideal for food waste, bathroom, or diaper disposal. Removable inner bucket, easy to clean and deodorize. Number 1. Motion sensing lid opens automatically when you approach, 0.3S response. Ultra quiet operation, smooth opening/closing, less than 40 decibels noise, compact and space saving, perfect for bedside, bathroom counter, office desk, or kitchen. Odor control design, sealed lid locks and smells, great for food waste/diapers. Battery efficient, uses 4X AA batteries.